let's go! Can we get the level 5 before she gets back? Pog. Go mad. Woo! This is celebratory music, chat. You want Mousy to keep on going, then raise that timer to 5 a.m. Wait, 5 a.m.? Sure, why not? It's next day, right? On the road to 39K, we want to get to 39K, so she can continue streaming. Give all your support and all your love, because Mousy's a great person. That's her. Da 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 da. Let's fucking go. We can get to level 5 before the hype train ends. Oh, hey, hey. That'll be the biggest surprise that Mousy will ever come by. Oh, to level 5 high. Come on, yeah, thank you for the subs. Thank you for your generosity. You guys are pretty fucking pog. Hey, Mousy's using the washroom, so here I am filling in the time. Come on, we're only level 4. Come on, we're at level 5. Let's fucking go 100%. Oh, come on, chat. We can do better than that. We can get to 500%. Come on, we can do this even better. How about we go to 1,000%? Come on, chat, we went to 5K. We can do better than the previous goal. Come on, chat, we can do this shit. How about we get to 6K? Nice. Woo! Let's go! Let's fucking go, chat. Hold on. Here's the goal. This will help you guys. Hey! Holy fucking shit! That's literally 50 gift subs. Thank you. Holy fuck, we're almost at 1K. Come on, chat. We have 3 minutes. Holy shit, chat, we're almost at 1K. We can do a lot better than that. Come on, chat, I believe in you. If not, then let the song through your veins. Hey, hey, we're at 1,000. Let's go. Let's fucking go. If we keep doing this, chat, do you realize what's gonna happen? We're gonna reach the 39K. That means she'll have to play the game. Oh, you want to see her scream? Don't you, chat, in VR? Man, that would be a surprise. How about we get to 40K? Oh. Come on, 2K, chat. 2K%. Come on, chat. You got this. How's my Timmy's doing? Damn. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum. Come on, chat. We can get to 3K. Come on, chat. We literally went to 5K before. We can do it again. Come on, chat. I'm pretty sure we reached the goal by now. Should I switch to dwarf theme again, chat? Have you heard of Amazon Prime or Prime Gaming? Let's fucking go, chat. Come on, chat. We have a minute left. Come on, chat. Let's fucking go! Let's go, chat. Come on, chat. by doing this. We'll get her to number 8 all over Twitch. That's really great. Oh my god, chat, come on. Can we get to 5K again like last time? Come on, chat. We're at 3K. We have a minute left. Don't let the timer pressure you. But I believe. I really believe in chat. You got this. I believe in you so hard, chat. It's insane. Come on, chat. 50 seconds. Thank you for the gifted subs, chat. Let's go. Come on, chat. Let's fucking go.